Just a minute. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Let us start today's session. Okay. I will be giving you assignments since you have a Saturday, Sunday, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of manual testing?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And advantages and disadvantages of automation testing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So at least four points you need to get
Okay,
as
sir.
advantages and drawbacks. Okay.
Sure, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So now let us go into the concept. My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So today we will be going to learn something called as SDLC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is SDLC? Software Development Life Cycle, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So if you want to develop a software, who and all required and what and all they will do. Okay.
Okay.
First step is requirement collection. What is the first step? Requirement collection, which will
Election.
be done by BA or PA. Sir, what do you mean by PA or PA, sir? BA means business analyst or
Yes.
product analyst. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Once after requirement collection is done, then we will go for feasibility study. Feasibility study, who will do, sir? So in a company there is a person called as project manager. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And there is one more person called as business analyst.
Okay.
And there is one more person called as architect.
Oh, okay.
And there is a person called as finance team.
Okay.
And there is a one more team called as HR team. Sir, these many members, what they will do, sir? They will do feasibility study meeting. Okay. So what
Okay.
is that feasibility study meeting? We will see today.
Okay.
After feasibility study is done, then we will go for design, which will be done by architect. Once after design is done, then we will go for coding. Who will do coding?
Developer.
Obviously, developers.
Yes.
If you observe here, they only telling that they are lopers. Okay,
Yeah.
got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you need to tell them as a developers, not in a
Okay.
company. When I'm teaching, you need to tell it as a developers. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Testing is done by whom?
Automation and manual testers.
Test engineers. Okay.
Oh, yeah, they
Who
are
will do?
testing.
Test engineers. Okay. In that, yeah, junior test engineers will be there, senior test engineers will be there, freshers will be there. Similarly, in a development team also, architect team also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So freshers will be there,
Uh-huh.
juniors will be there, seniors will be there. Once after testing is done, then we have something called as installation,
Okay.
or we will call it as a implementation.
Okay.
Okay. Once after implementation is done, we will be in the maintenance
Maintenance.
phase. Okay. Sir, who
Okay, sir.
will do installation implementation means senior, developer or test engineer will do.
Okay.
Maintenance who will do? Again senior, developer or test engineer will do.
Okay.
Nowadays, some other teams also doing installation will be done by something called as installation engineer.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And maintenance will be done by any other team, like installation engineer will do. because
Oh,
senior developer and test engineers will be busy, no?
correct.
They
Yes,
will
sir.
be not
Yeah.
doing all these things. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So let us go with requirement collection.
Yes, sir.
So you have seen that requirement collection will be done by BA or PA.
Correct.
Sir,
Yeah.
what do you mean by requirement collection? Before going there, I
Hmm.
will tell you one story.
Hmm.
This is, you assume this is as a me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
This is here. Okay. I don't have
Yes.
a writing pad, so I'm writing beautifully like this. Uh, this is who
Is that
lipstick,
me,
1
sir?
kg lipstick. No, no, no. 1 kg lipstick. This is okay.
Okay.
This is
Hmm.
simple boy. Me.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Hmm.
let us take an example. She is a girlfriend of me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Tomorrow she is having birthday.
Hmm.
So what I need to do as a boyfriend?
You have to arrange a birthday party and you have to
Yeah.
get cake and birthday party
Yes.
decorations.
Yes. But see, this is correct. Whatever you told, it is correct. But what happens in my life? Today morning I woke up and I have a
Yes.
batch and I am doing that. Later I will be having my normal work. I will do that. Again, after doing my work, they will
Hmm.
call me, who my company person. Once after work is complete, no, later they will assign some work.
Correct.
That
Yeah.
will be completed after 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Later 10 o'clock, I need to eat something and I need to sleep. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a time to get a cake for celebration. 12 o'clock I need to celebrate the celebration. No?
Mm-hmm.
Today midnight 12 o'clock I need to cut the cake.
Mm-hmm.
Not possible.
Mm-hmm.
So I am just sitting, closing my eyes, and I'm chanting Om Namah Shivaya. I need a cake. Om Namah Shivaya. I need a cake.
Mm-hmm.
You've seen old movies. Shiva used to come and used to give some boom. Is that
Yes.
possible nowadays?
Not possible. No.
Not possible, no.
Yes.
So
No.
what I need to do?
Mm.
I need a cake now. What I need to do?
You have to like delegate to a team who can arrange everything for you.
I don't have a team. I'm not that much a big person to have any PA. So what I will do, I
Yes, sir.
will just make some time. I will tell some like in my company, boss, I need some time. No, I'm going out for eating some food. Okay. So
Okay.
I will make half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours time. See, I
Mm-hmm.
will go for Amma's pastry. You know
Mm-hmm.
Amma's pastry, no? In
First
India,
time.
there is something called as Amma's pastry where
Oh.
we will get a cake.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think in America also there are some shops, no? May I know
Yes, sir.
any of the name?
Yeah, Publix. There is Publix and Walmart.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, Publix you
Okay.
take.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
As soon as I go there, no,
Yeah.
I will just go. Since my girlfriend is having birthday, what I will do? This is that
Mm.
public shop. Let us take. There is
Mm.
the door.
Mm.
Here there is some counter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there is a
Mm-hmm.
person standing over here.
Mm-hmm.
What I will do directly, I came
Mm-hmm.
directly. Rapa rapa,
Mm-hmm.
I came because I am
Mm-hmm.
busy. No,
Mm.
I will
Yes.
go backside of the bakery where
Mm-hmm.
they are preparing the cake, and I will go and I will ask them, hey boss, I need a cake. I have a girlfriend. I
Uh-huh.
need immediately.
Uh-huh.
They will tell, hey Pagal, what are you doing? Go
Mm-hmm.
outside. There is a receptionist. Give
Mm-hmm.
your order. Later we
Mm-hmm.
will prepare and we'll give. No,
Yes.
immediately not possible.
Yeah.
It's a common sense also. So what I need to do?
Yeah.
As soon
Go to
as
the
go
reception.
into that Amma's pastry, I need
Mm-hmm.
to meet this receptionist. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Receptionist, what he will do? He will
Mm.
take,
Mm.
sir, could you
Mm.
tell what cake you want? Or
Mm.
please tell
Mm.
me the requirements. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So the requirements,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the requirements are, then no, just a second.
Yes.
Oh, oh by no. They have given me a new tool to do this. work.
Oh.
Ayyo. So this tool, I don't know, something is there. Ayyo. Now it is okay.
Yes.
So he asked something called as,
Mm.
sir, please give me a requirement. Who is asking? Receptionist is asking.
Receptionist. Yes, sir.
I know which type of cake my girlfriend will eat, no? So I
Yes.
will
Yeah.
tell I need a
Mm.
black forest.
Mm.
You heard this cake, black forest?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a
Yeah. Yeah.
type of cake, okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And my girlfriend is egoistic girlfriend. What she will do, full
Huh.
ego. If I take 1 kg of cake, no,
Yes, sir.
she is maintaining diet. She will eat only small piece. Rest of the 1 kg I need to eat.
Oh my
She is
God.
not ready to share that.
Oh my God.
Terrible, no?
Yeah. Very, very,
Yeah,
sir.
very terrible.
Unfair.
So what? Yeah, unfair. So,
Yes.
I am an intelligent boy. What I'll do,
Mm. Mm.
I will only 200 grams of cake
Mm. Okay.
because I need
Mm.
to eat, although I need to eat 150, 180 grams. So less than that
Yes.
also the Amas paste will not prepare. Minimum 200 grams cake. Okay. So I told that,
Oh. Okay.
and I told them it should be in a heart shape.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
HEART, heart spelling you tell, correct?
HEART. Correct, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So it should be in heart shape. And I am
Yes.
telling them, boss, I will come today 8 p.m. Give the cake. Okay.
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
mentioning the timing also.
Yes. Yeah.
So later I just went to my company and I started to do my work.
Mm-hmm.
This person is there, no?
Yeah.
Receptionist.
Yes.
He
Yeah.
went, he took that list, this list,
Uh-huh.
requirement list. He went
Uh-huh.
backside of the, you know,
Big.
you can tell kitchen or something.
Uh-huh.
He called one senior cook and he said that, hey boss, see, I got a new order today. Immediately
Uh-huh.
start because he is needing a at 8
Yes.
p.m. So what he will do?
Mm.
He'll tell this is a requirement, this much
Uh,
grams required, this shape is
uh,
required. Okay.
uh-huh.
So that fellow will take that as a requirement and he will mix all the items, materials, what is required to make a black forest cake, and he will mix it well and he will
Yes.
bake it or something. He will do add sugar or something,
Yes.
chemicals
Yes.
which will
Yes.
spoil our life on birthday. Everything he will add and he will add. He will make it as 200 grams and he will cut in some of the shapes. Later he will turn it to heart shape. He will
Yes.
add again some chemicals on the cake again.
Yes,
Cream
sir.
means chemical only. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously chemical, spoiling
Yeah.
her life or and my life too on birthday, but still okay for us because we need to celebrate cake
Correct.
celebration. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
The cake is whatever the cake they have manufactured, and they have kept in this visible glass, which
Yeah.
is having a isolation, like cool,
Yes. Yes.
because cake
Yes.
should not be, this one, no. So
Yeah.
later, I went at 8 o'clock. I
Yes.
told him, "Hey, bhaiya, kitna hai?" He told 800 rupees.
Okay.
Actually, initially he told 800 rupees. That time I haven't paid. Later I
Mm-hmm.
paid 800 rupees. I have taken the cake, and
Mm-hmm.
exactly 12 a.m. I went to my girlfriend's house, and I, I just took a table, or there is a table arrangement. I took
Yes.
a help of our friends also, no, and I
Yes.
kept a cake. I closed her eyes,
Yes.
and I opened this box and I told happy birthday. She is okay,
Yes.
happy,
Yes.
and she's, this much cake she had and this much cake she is given to me.
Yes.
Done. Story katham.
Yes,
And
sir.
I came my home and my mom asking, hey, where you went, idiot?
Yes.
Every time you were going around and coming home at late nights.
Yes.
Something okay, but still I can manage something, work pressure, something I will tell. Day
Yes.
is completed. She is
Yes.
happy.
Yeah.
She is happy. Yeah, I
Yeah.
am happy.
Yeah.
This fellow is happy.
Yes.
This fellow is happy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, no. So
Yes.
this entire story is called as
Mm-hmm.
requirement collection only. Okay.
Oh.
Hmm.
Okay.
So now let us know what is requirement collection. So
Yeah.
Let me take one example or one diagram.
Hmm.
There is something called a software company. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
There is one more thing called as customer. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
This is a what? Customer
Software.
or software company. This is
Yes.
a customer. Let me
Yes.
take a customer as
Yeah.
a 1 second. Let me take. Let me take. This is a Google,
Okay. Okay, sir.
or let me take Google only. Okay. 1 second. Okay. This is Google.
Hmm.
They want to develop a software called as Gmail.
Okay.
Okay. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
Google is software company, so they can develop, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Assume that Google is not a software company. It is some
Mm-hmm.
third party application or something you think. Okay.
Okay, sir. Mm-hmm.
So Google want a software. Yes or no? Google
Yes, sir.
want
Yeah.
a software.
Mm.
Which software they
Mm.
want? Gmail software they
Gmail.
want.
Ah.
Here you can see, I
Yes.
am a person, I need a cake. Similar.
Yes.
Google is
Ah.
a company, they want a software.
Correct. Mm.
So if Google is sitting somewhere and chanting Shivaji for
Mm.
software, Shivaji will
Mm.
give the software. Where this
No.
went? No, right?
No.
Just a minute, pa.
Yes.
Oh, it is gone. Okay, just give me a second.
Yes. Yes.
So it is Google and it is
Customer.
customer.
Mm.
So Google need a software,
Yes, sir.
that is Gmail. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Later there is something called as Microsoft. Let me take
Mm-hmm.
an example. Okay.
Okay.
You know Microsoft, right?
Yes, sir.
World's number one IT company.
Okay, sir.
So they are
Mm-hmm.
software
Mm-hmm.
company.
Mm-hmm.
Software company, there they have many cakes, not only
Mm-hmm.
one Gmail cake or something cakes. Okay, they have many multiple cakes. This is, you can take it as Amma's pastries. Okay. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is me, where I'm sitting and chanting for a software. Do I get the software? No.
No, sir. No.
So what I need to do? I need to
Mm.
travel to the where?
Mm.
Software
Microsoft.
company. Yes or no?
Mm. Mm. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
customer
Mm-hmm.
Google will
Mm-hmm.
travel to the software company. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Customer will travel to the software company,
Okay. Yeah.
and
Mm.
he will see there is a person called as, see, I can't go inside the cake shop and I can't tell that, hey, I want a cake immediately. Not possible.
No, not
So
possible.
in the software company there is a person called as
Mm.
business analyst who will be there.
Oh. Okay.
Business analyst, what he will do?
Mm.
He will tell,
Mm.
hey, hi, it's
Mm.
good to meet you, Google.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what is your requirements? He will tell,
Mm.
hey, I need a software where I can send mails and I can attach something and all. Okay. Business
Mm-hmm.
analyst will tell, oh, you
Mm-hmm.
have a good, huge requirement, right?
Mm-hmm.
So don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
I will only visit your place.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh.
It is not
Okay.
a cake shop, no? To buy a
Yes.
cake, I will give 3 4 lines of requirement, so they will
Mm-hmm.
develop immediately. But software is not like that. Software
Mm-hmm.
will be having,
Mm-hmm.
thousands of lines of
Mm-hmm.
requirement,
Mm-hmm.
10,000 lines of requirement, many lines of requirements
Oh.
will be there. Okay. So
Oh.
what will happen? The business analyst will
Mm-hmm.
conduct a meeting. He will
Mm-hmm.
travel to the Google.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yes, sir.
Business analyst, what he will do? He
Mm-hmm.
will travel to the Google. See, once
Mm-hmm.
after
Yes.
he told that I need a
Mm-hmm.
software, and he went to his
Mm-hmm.
place. Later
Okay.
business analyst told,
Mm-hmm.
I will come and visit you. So
Mm-hmm.
business analyst
Mm-hmm.
will travel
Google.
to the customer place.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And if he is going to the customer place, no, customer is already aware of it. They have
Mm-hmm.
arranged a good meeting hall. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes sir,
Mm-hmm.
no, with all the facilities like
Yes, sir.
for eating or something,
Yes.
anything.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Good table or AC. You
Yes.
can tell some
Yeah.
conference room, something with arrangement of chairs. They need to
Mm-hmm.
showcase how rich they are.
Correct.
Google, right, how rich
Yes.
they are.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, when BA is traveling, no, BA is not a simple guy. I'm telling you,
Oh,
okay. They will
okay.
be wearing a good suit. They will be having everything, Apple products, everything, okay. So what they
Oh.
will do, the company will give them a Benz or BMW, and they
Oh.
will be sitting. One driver will be there, in a luxurious way. They will go to the customer
Mm-hmm.
place, and there is a gatekeeper, or you can tell who is that. Uh, Security will open the doors. He is already aware of that, okay, and he
Oh.
will give access required for the business analyst. Later he will take them into the place where they want to sit, and they will
Yes.
take them and tell them to sit here, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So my business analyst will come and he will sit here. My diagrams are too bad, you need to understand. He's sitting on the chair. He
Yes.
opened his MacBook and he's just opening and he's doing some work. That time the customer will come. Customer will come, they will do shake hand, everything
Mm-hmm.
will be done.
Mm-hmm.
Customer will be there and he knows the requirement. What software you want, he need to tell, no.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yeah.
So customer is expecting. I will
Mm-hmm.
just give an example for you. Hey boss, I
Mm-hmm.
need something called as some application which should have a sign up page.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So my business analyst is not a simple guy. He's having some 15, 20 years of experience in the market. Sign up page means what and all required. His
Mm-hmm.
name, first name, last name, middle name, and
Mm-hmm.
his mobile number, mail ID, and his country where he belongs to. Yes or no? Similar kind of
Yes.
things is required. So sign up means something is came into in
Correct.
his head. Okay. Next, login page. Login page means username, password should be there, login button should be there, cancel button should be there. Like that
Yes.
is thinking. Next, I
Correct.
need a home page which
Mm-hmm.
consists of something like that: inbox,
Yes.
sent items,
Mm-hmm.
and all mails. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
All mails. And I will take logout. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is directly telling that, hey, I need all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Business analyst is writing everything. He's typing in a notepad or in a Excel or somewhere. Okay. He's tapa, 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 whatever he's telling, no requirement. And he's telling that, and also he's guiding him, because business analyst is not collecting only requirement from Google. No, he's collected requirement from, his job is to collect the requirement. So he went to many companies and collected many
Mm-hmm.
requirements. So he's having an idea what he's telling. Like when it
Okay.
comes to testing, how I know everything, no?
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, when it comes to requirements, everything. So he's just thinking and he's typing what and all requirements, he's typing in his laptop. Once after collection of the requirement
Mm-hmm.
in the business language,
Okay.
this is in a business language. Sir, what do you mean by business language? Customer,
Mm-hmm.
what language he will speak? That is business
Mm-hmm.
language. See, I told
Oh.
him I want a black forest cake, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
To whom? To the receptionist.
To the
So the
reception.
receptionist is aware of telling something for his employee.
Correct.
Employees and that fellow knows what and all chemicals they need to add or powders they need to add to bake that.
Correct. Yes.
So he is telling something that black forest, that is in a business language, because I know
Oh.
as a customer, I know what and all
Mm-hmm.
required. This is in his language. Now,
Mm-hmm.
what
Mm-hmm.
my business analyst will do, once after collecting all the requirements, he will travel
Mm-hmm.
to the software company again.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Understood? He again come
Yes.
back to the
Yeah.
software company,
Mm-hmm.
and in the software company he will sit and he will
Mm-hmm.
convert. all the business language into the software language.
Oh.
Sir, what do you mean by software language, sir?
Mm-hmm.
If I tell my developer to develop a sign up page, he will be having many questions in his mind. If I
Oh.
tell test engineer to test a sign up page, there will be many questions in his mind. Sir, what
Mm-hmm.
and all the questions, sir? So
Mm.
you will get to know in the future, okay? And home
Okay. Okay.
page means what? Inbox means what? Sent items means what? See
Mm.
here, we know
Mm-hmm.
as a test engineers or
Mm-hmm.
developers, they will be working by looking into the requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Requirement means what? This one is also a requirement, okay? This is
Correct.
requirement, but this is
Yes.
in a business language.
Business language. Yeah.
So I will not understand this. This is in a business language.
Oh.
I need
Okay.
something called a software language requirement.
Oh. Okay.
Got it? So
Yes.
my
Yeah.
business analyst work is you need to
Mm-hmm.
go to the customer place. His appearance should be very rich so that the
Mm-hmm.
customer will not hesitate to give the complete requirement. He will collect the
Correct.
requirement. He will tally everything in his mind how to give the
Mm-hmm.
requirement. He will come to the software company, and
Mm-hmm.
in software company he will convert that into a software language.
Soft language. Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir, what
Yes.
do you mean by software language, sir? I will take one simple example. Sign up a page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what he will
Yes.
do? Sign up page. He will develop something called as page. He's
Mm-hmm.
telling that I need a sign up page, and which should
Mm-hmm.
have
Mm-hmm.
first name text field.
Mm-hmm.
See here, he's mentioning that first name text field is
Mm-hmm.
required. Sir, what do you mean by text field, sir?
That's true.
Just give me
Yes.
a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, text field
Mm-hmm.
means what, sir?
Mm-hmm.
You take any application, there is some box where you can edit the data, no? You can enter
Mm-hmm.
your data.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Prerana,
Yeah.
you want to type Prerana, there should be
Yes.
some box, no? This
Yes.
box is called as text field, okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Next, we have something called as, one second, we have last name text field.
Mm-hmm.
Text field
Mm-hmm.
means same.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we have something called as username. Sir, what do you mean by username? Once after you enter username, no? Next,
Yes, sir.
password. You need to sign up. You are doing the
Yes.
sign up means you need username and password. Next, they
Password.
have
Correct.
they will ask email ID.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, that is also what? Text field.
Box.
Next,
Yeah.
they will ask your gender.
Yes, sir.
Can I give text field? No, my business analyst
No.
is thinking. If I give the text field, no. So
Yeah.
it will be problem. Let me give something called as radio button for male and female.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Radio button
Yeah.
means what? I will give you an example. Radio button means something button will be like this. Okay.
Correct.
Circular
Yes,
shape.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
If you are male,
Yeah.
no. What you need to
Yes, sir.
do? You need to select that time. It will become like this in a blue
Correct.
color.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can take these all are text fields only. Okay.
Oh.
This is
Okay, sir.
also text field, text field, text
Oh.
field. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Gender male. It became Gmail. One second. Female. Later females will put case on me. Huh? Yes or no? For everything case. Once after gender is done, later
Yes.
there is a country drop down or there. Drop
Uh-huh.
down. Okay. Sir, what do you
Yes.
mean by drop down, sir? There
Yeah.
are already specific values. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
That should be already present from the or
Mm-hmm.
where and all the services that my customer can give. My
Correct.
customer can give services for India and USA, but he is hesitate to give services
Uh-huh.
for Pakistan because
Uh-huh.
Pakistan hackers are there. They might harmful their
Uh-huh.
application.
Uh-huh.
So he is telling my business analyst
Uh-huh.
the drop down only India and
Uh-huh.
Pakistan should be there.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
It means whatever we have discussed, no, the values should be within that means that should be in the drop down. Selecting whatever the values that we can select, that should be present in the drop down always. I can't select. See, India is there, something America is there, US is there.
Yes.
Is there any Pakistan to select? No. It means that the
No.
Pakistan people, they can't use the application.
Correct. Yes.
Got it? Like that.
Yes.
So my business analyst is thinking, okay, I need to give a drop down now, or else some other people may use my application. Once after that, there will be something called as terms and conditions. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Yeah, yeah.
So terms and conditions, he will give something called as some box, check box he will give.
Correct. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You need to select like this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Once
Yeah.
after that is done,
Uh-huh.
later,
Uh-huh.
once after terms and there is a button called a sign up button. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And cancel button.
Correct. Yes, sir.
So this is complete page. I think you have seen this type of
Oh,
pages.
yes, sir. So many times.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No.
Yes,
This
sir.
page is there, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Page, how it need to look will be developed by architect, but what and all the content should be there, that will be selected by my business analyst based on the inputs given by my customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, who is converting this business language into software language? Who is converting?
Business analyst.
My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
If it is not visible, you need to remind me, okay?
Yeah.
From
Yes,
next
sir.
time.
Yes.
Last video we haven't done properly.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Yes.
last class for 5
Yes.
minutes or 10 minutes. No?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, is taken only sign up. Okay. Sign up is taken. Who is taken? Business analyst is completely
Business.
converted this sign up into a
Software
one of the
language.
page software language. So
Yes.
sign up page, whatever you are thinking, no, what is the page? This page is in software language. Let me take, what is software language? I will tell a developer or business analyst will tell a developer, hey developer, you need to develop a page. So he is having a code to write the page. The page name you give it as a sign up. Now he can write the code. No,
Yes.
he can write the code
Yeah.
because he knows that it is a page. Later,
Yes.
business analyst is telling that, hey, first name text field is required, last name text field is required. So write a code for text field and give a name it as a first name. Write a
First
text
name.
field, give last name. Write a code for text field and username. Write a code for password, give name. Again text field, name. Next radio button, name. Drop down, name. Terms and conditions, checkbox, name. Sign up button, button develop, give name.
Yes.
Button develop, give name as a cancel. So developer got it. Okay, I need to develop one page where some text field and radio buttons are there. Like this, he will be getting idea. So developer can develop this and test engineer can test this.
Yes.
This
Yes.
entire process is called as requirement collection.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Understood? This
Yes,
entire
sir.
story we will call it as a
Requirement collection.
requirement collection. So who will do requirement collection? I will
Business.
explain you. Business analyst or product analyst will do the requirement collection. Sir, what do you mean by product analyst? If your company is a product-based company, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is product-based company again? Oracle is a product-based company. Microsoft is a product-based company where PA will be there, product analyst will be there. Basically, product analyst means he will do the market research. Sir, what do you mean by market research again? See, your Mark Zuckerberg, no?
Yes, sir.
He developed Facebook or WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Facebook, sir.
Yeah, Facebook. No? That fellow, what is done? Everyone is facing issues to send a messages. Who and all facing issues? The teenagers used to face issues to send or to become a friends for girls or boys. No, that
Yes, sir.
break is there. We
Yes, sir.
can't go directly approach them. So he developed one application where you can send a request and you can become a friend. So you can text or you can message or you can do audio call, video call, and you
Correct.
will get in a relationship, friend, or love or
Correct.
something else.
Yes, sir.
So that was previously when you are in India, no, you used to
Yes,
face
sir.
so many issues to communicate, or the boys they want to propose you, that
Uh-huh.
fellows need to hesitate, no, because they
Correct.
don't have that much of capacity.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, you see, 10th student also having a girlfriend, 6th
Yes.
student also having girlfriend. How he approach? He is not having the ability to approach her directly, but by
Yes, sir.
using Facebook or Instagram, they became
Yes.
friends. Later one day, good day he's seen and he's proposed her. They're okay or breakup happened something. He's
Yes,
created
sir.
a beautiful platform for communication. He's
Correct.
only developed so
Yes.
he is a market research he's done. He is a product
Oh.
analyst. Basically, he's done the
Okay.
market research, which type of application is required. He is
Mm-hmm.
collectively collected some development team and testing team.
Uh-huh.
Is or he may be a developer. He recruited one of the test engineer. They have
Uh-huh.
developed a software called as Facebook, and they have launched in your Chicago or something, where
Uh-huh.
some people started to use the application. Later, they
Oh.
got to know that, oh, this application is very good, boss. Everyone started to spread that. So
Oh. Mm-hmm.
later, day by day, it left your US and it came to India and it came all over the world. Got
Correct.
it?
Mm.
So
Yes.
his business is improved.
Uh-huh.
He is making a money, no, based on
Yes,
his
sir.
idea. So he's done market research. Product analyst will always do the market
Mark
research and he will develop the software. And that
software.
software is also belongs to him. It means
Correct.
in
Mm.
product based companies, the softwares mainly belongs to them only.
Only.
But
Correct.
see here, business analyst, he
Yes,
is
sir.
belongs to Microsoft company. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Google is
Mm-hmm.
approached the Microsoft. It means
Mm-hmm.
customer approached the software company. The business
Mm-hmm.
analyst from the software company travel to the customer
Mm-hmm.
place and sit with the customer and collect the requirement in business language and come back to
Mm-hmm.
the software company and convert the business language into software language and explain to developers and test engineers and other teammates. This
Mm-hmm.
entire process is called as requirement collection.
No. Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Yes.
can you please note down this?
Yes, sir. Sir, while you were
One
telling, I
second.
was.
Uh,
Yes. Yeah.
you are noting everything.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just a
Simultaneously.
minute.
Yes.
Wow. Multitasking, no? Where is the 1 second? Okay.
Yeah.
You take this screenshot.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. I will take it now.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. I think we can. Just a minute. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm just taking the notes.
Mm-hmm.
Requirement collection, no? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So what my note says, is there
Yes.
something different, sir? Let us see. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Requirement collection. It
Mm-hmm.
is nothing but collecting the requirement from the customer place. It is done by BA or PA. Business
Correct.
analyst from the company will travel to customer place and collect the requirement in business language and come back to the company and convert business language into software language
Software.
and explain to developers, test engineers, PM, architect, etc. This process is called as requirement
Requirement.
collection.
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You got it? So this
Yes,
you
sir.
understood beautifully. Now you
Yes.
take the screenshot of this.
Sure. Yes. Done, sir.
Done? Oh,
Yes, sir.
once
Yeah.
after requirement collection is done, then we
Mhm.
will go for something called as feasibility study. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So what do I mean by feasibility study again?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell?
Sir, feasibility means is it possible or not? So,
Yes,
yeah.
very good. So
Yeah.
my business analyst collected the requirement and he came to the software company, is converted and he is explained to everyone. Now my project manager
Mm-hmm.
will call for a meeting called as feasibility study. This is a
Oh,
meeting.
okay, sir.
There is a person called as business analyst. He will be attending this meeting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah.
architect.
Mm-hmm.
Architect is attending this meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Finance team is attending this meeting. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
HR team. No.
Okay.
The project manager will call for this meeting once after requirement collection is done. He will ask
Mm-hmm.
business analyst, hey business analyst, what
Mm-hmm.
type of requirement you have collected?
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yes,
What
sir.
type of requirement you are
Mm-hmm.
collected?
Mm-hmm.
Business analyst will tell
Mm-hmm.
it is a social media application.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Gmail is also a social media application, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Where we can communicate. So
Yes.
he told that it is a social media application
Yes.
and they have many requirements that they want chatting and
Mm-hmm.
there will be live video they need to do or
Yes.
video call is there, audio call is there. It's not only messaging application, there are many things, boss. Something is
Yes.
telling.
Yes, sir.
Project manager is a
Mm-hmm.
manager, boss. He already worked some 15-20 years in some
Mm-hmm.
projects. He's having a
Mm-hmm.
good idea how to handle the project, no?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
So in his mind, he's calculating. Okay, this much requirement. Okay, so 10 members. No, 15 members. Yeah, 15, 20. Okay, 20 developers are required or 25 developers are required. He's thinking in his mind. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Later, later,
Mm-hmm.
he will ask for the architect. Architect is a simple guy. No. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to become developer, you can become. If you want to become test engineer, you can become. But architect, no, who should be
Mm-hmm.
having very good logical thinking and also
Mm-hmm.
very strong knowledge on the technology,
Okay.
either testing technology or development technology. They should
Oh.
have technically very skilled, not
Oh.
like a normal developer or test engineer, not like me or not like
Mm-hmm.
someone who is dedicated to only development or testing. This fellow
Uh-huh.
is having idea on both development, testing, all the things. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So architect is a person who will design
Uh-huh.
the software,
Uh-huh.
how the software need to look and also how the software need to work. All the things will be designed by architect. Sir,
Oh.
can a fresher become architect? Most
I think
probably no. Most
no, sir.
probably no. Okay. Impossible. If he is having reference of Mark Zuckerberg, he can join as a architect in his Facebook company. That's it, like that.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Immediately nobody will give designation as a architect. So architect is also a 20 years experience guy. Business
Oh.
analyst, as I told, is a 20 years experience guy. Project manager is a 20 years experience guy. So they can
Mm-hmm.
decide no how many members required.
Correct.
So
Yes,
they
sir.
are planning. They are planning.
Uh,
Architect is thinking for 20 members,
uh-huh.
and business analyst in his mind, okay, 20 members is fine,
Uh, uh,
not less than that. We can't
uh,
complete.
uh-huh.
And the customer told within 1 year you need to complete the project. It means
Okay.
my Google is giving them a deadline of 1 year.
Okay.
So 20 developers is required. See, if it is 10 years, I will take only 5 test developers and I will do that work. So
Correct.
if
Yes,
the
sir.
time is less, I need to take more resources. So 20 developers, okay, add it.
Uh, uh,
Next, for 20 developers, can I
uh-huh.
take one test engineer?
No.
How is it is possible, pa? Yes or no?
Mhm.
So
No, sir.
20 test engineers I need to take again,
Correct. Yeah.
or 18.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
one or two it is okay, lesser than developers, it is fine, but still
Okay.
almost equal.
Uh-huh.
So this is done. Next,
Uh-huh.
how many resources required they have planned?
Uh-huh.
Obviously, these
Uh-huh.
are the resources. Can I tell?
Uh-huh.
Resources means you know, right?
Yes,
Developers
sir.
and test engineers. How many?
Correct.
20 required.
Yes.
Next,
Yeah.
business analyst is telling, hey,
Uh-huh.
this is a application, social media type of application. Too much security is required, boss. Oh, security is
Okay.
required.
Uh-huh.
So technology,
Uh,
architect is telling, if I
uh-huh.
go with the C++, no, we can't
Uh-huh.
complete the project within 1 year. If I
Uh-huh.
go with .NET, .NET is not that much okay when it comes to security.
Uh-huh.
Let me go with the Java. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So whatever the technical decisions, okay,
Uh-huh.
whatever the technical
Technical.
decisions want to
Mm-hmm.
take,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the technical decisions
Mm-hmm.
will be taken by architect only. Architect is now telling what? Let us go
Mm-hmm.
with the Java.
Job.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yes, sir.
So I want Java means
Mm-hmm.
software is also required to develop the software. Okay. Is it
Correct.
free? Is it free? Sir,
No.
Java is free, sir. Java is free, but we
Oh,
want something called as project management tool to handle
okay.
complete project. We need to know
Oh,
what 20 developers are doing, 20 test engineers, BA doing. Everyone we need to check know how much work is
correct.
completed. In a
Yes,
company,
sir.
there is some tool called as
Oh,
project management tool.
oh, okay.
So for
Mm-hmm.
that again you need to pay for license and all. Okay. So everything they
Okay.
are planning, which one is required, what is required. Okay. Once
Mm-hmm.
after they have decided the technology,
Mm-hmm.
lab setups. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
what do you mean by lab setups, sir? There are
Mm-hmm.
20 developers and 20 test engineers. If I
Mm-hmm.
give them a work from home, no, the work
Mm-hmm.
output will not be good. So,
Mm-hmm.
what I'm planning, since
Mm-hmm.
COVID is completed, let me call everyone, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
developers or test engineers require. I
Mm-hmm.
need to make them to sit in my company and they need to work. If they want to
Mm.
sit in my company, there should be a floor requirement,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
there should be a cubicle requirement,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
cubicle, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cubicle requirement. There should be
Mm-hmm.
a internet requirement.
Mm-hmm.
There should be a AC connection requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? There should
Yes, sir.
be uh, anything like washrooms or
Yes.
cafeteria or something like that. Everything is
Yes.
required, no, for
Yes.
40
Yes.
members because there belongs
Correct.
to some project. They
Correct.
can't go to other project members and, hey boss, I need a cup of coffee, give. It
Correct.
is
Yes.
not a common sense. No, they should have their own area.
Correct.
And Google will Microsoft is having something, swimming pools they have, and they have some auditorium for playing games, something
Yes.
much
Yes, sir.
better, much better
Mm-hmm.
company. So that is
Mm.
what we will call it as a lab setups, what and all required to
Oh,
work.
okay. Mm-hmm.
This and all are planned. Now
Mm-hmm.
project manager
Yes.
is the person, is a boss. Okay, is a boss, is
Mm-hmm.
collecting the
Mm-hmm.
requirement from the business analyst. I mean, they are discussing. Architect is a
Mm-hmm.
boss, designing and technology, so he's
Mm-hmm.
thinking.
Mm-hmm.
So they are just chit chatting in that finance team, HR teams are what they are doing, sir. They are just sitting and listening to their talks. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Immediately,
Mm.
immediately
Mm.
my project manager asked,
Mm.
what will be the budget?
Mm-hmm.
Budget. Okay, what will
Mm-hmm.
be the
Budget.
budget?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what will be the budget?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, budget means what, sir? Budget means money. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so finance team is having a holding on the money.
Mm-hmm.
Now 20
Mm-hmm.
plus 20 resources means they need a
Mm-hmm.
senior developers,
Mm-hmm.
senior test engineers, junior
Mm-hmm.
developers, junior test engineers, fresher developers, fresher test engineers, all are required. 40
Mm-hmm.
members means only seniors, no, everyone is
Mm-hmm.
required.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
for them, 1 year project means yearly package I need to announce. No, if I
Mm-hmm.
give 5
Mm-hmm.
LPA lakhs per annum, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
can I hire a senior developer? No. Senior
No.
developer will come around 18 lakhs to more than 18 lakhs. Senior means he's taking too
Mm.
much money.
Yes, sir.
Juniors means
Mm-hmm.
some 8 to 14 lakhs, we can
Mm-hmm.
tell.
Mm-hmm.
Fresher means minimum 3 lakhs to
Mm-hmm.
around 5 lakhs. Okay. Like
Mm-hmm.
that, he's planning the budget.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And for the technology, how much budget is required?
Mm-hmm.
Understood. Project
Yes.
management tool. Let me
Mm-hmm.
tell.
Yes.
Project management tools, or for testing the software, some other tools are required.
Mm-hmm.
All the things, what and all the things they want, security applications is required for everything. No, how much money
Mm-hmm.
they want to, everything is calculated by finance team.
Mm-hmm.
So they're calculating, and lastly, lab setups, how much lab setups is required, how much it will cost. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
everything they are deciding. So they
Mm-hmm.
have decided around, uh,
Mm-hmm.
sir, minimum it will cost around uh,
Mm-hmm.
5 crores. Let me take an example.
Mm-hmm.
But my business analyst is telling that, sir,
Mm.
project I have spoke with the customer is telling 4 crores will be the budget.
Oh, okay.
4
Mm-hmm.
crores is the budget, and I need to spend 5 crores to develop the software. Do
Mm.
you think that I am a mad? Project manager is asking.
Mm.
A business
Mm.
analyst, what you are doing? You went 1 week with our office car and the full Porsche. You went,
Mm.
Kachada fellow.
Mm.
You have taken 4
Mm.
crores project. No,
Mm.
we will not develop this project.
Mm.
Rejected.
Mm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes.
Assume we
Mm.
have calculated amount of 5 crores, but my
Uh-huh.
business analyst is a beautiful guy.
Uh-huh.
He's take up the project for how many crores? 10
Center.
crores. So budget is 5 crores, and
Mm.
another 5 crores will be profit.
Profit.
Got it?
Wow.
So can I take up
Mm-hmm.
this project?
Yes, 100%.
Obviously, yes.
Yes.
So based on
Yeah.
this is the calculation we will do. This is what we
Mm.
will do, feasibility study. We will check for
Oh.
the resources. Resources
Mm.
20 members is required.
Mm-hmm.
Technology and lab
Mm.
setups. What and all
Mm-hmm.
is required to develop the project, and
Mm-hmm.
in that
Mm.
they will do the calculations, like
Mm-hmm.
how much they need to invest
Mm-hmm.
on the project and how much they will get
Mm-hmm.
the profit
Profit.
from the project. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah.
sir, what HRs are doing, sir?
Mm.
20 developers, 20 test engineers, can business analyst will hire?
Mm.
Huh?
No,
Can
HR.
business analyst go and hire?
No,
Or
HR.
can my architect, busy guy, will go and hire? Hey, there is a requirement in Microsoft. Okay, first round interview will be, what is that?
Mm. Mm.
Apti. Can he do
Mm.
apti test?
No.
That much time he is having, or project manager or finance team?
No,
No,
sir.
impossible. So
Mm.
HRs will be there. They will think from hiring point of view. They will
Oh.
tell how many days required to hire this 20 members. See, in
Oh.
India, no, yeah, I
Yes,
can
sir.
hire within 1 week,
Okay.
because
Okay.
there are unlimited educated fellows are there in India.
Yes, sir.
Unlimited. Everyone is having talent but no job. Job
Yes,
is
sir.
there, no proper salary.
Yes, sir.
Proper salary is there, no more
Mm.
tensions, more
Mm-hmm.
responsibilities.
Correct.
Responsibilities are not there,
Mm.
but salaries are less. You got it.
Mm.
So there are
Yes.
many restrictions.
Mm.
Up and down
Mm.
market. You take
Mm.
US.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
20 developers, 20 test engineers. I need
Mm.
1 month to hire. How many days?
Mm-hmm.
1 month. See,
Mm-hmm.
resource availability in India is different and US is
Mm.
different.
Correct. Yes.
You take Pakistan. There
Mm-hmm.
is no resource only. I can't develop software only.
Oh.
This plan is waste, because educated are not there. No, not see,
Oh,
educated
yes.
is there,
Uh,
but they are
uh,
going and settling in other countries for
correct.
safety purpose. No,
Yes, sir.
you
Yeah.
take Abu Dhabi or Dubai or
Mm.
US. Understood. And India also, they are coming and staying in India and they are working. They are good fellows.
Oh,
See, if you
okay.
get education, no,
Yes,
you
sir.
will become a good guy, basically.
Correct.
So
Yes.
obvious, and Sri Lanka they can develop the software. Yes, somewhat they
Mm-hmm.
can. Bangladesh, no. Again,
Mm.
they need to check for the resources. It may
Correct.
take some time. So
Mm-hmm.
this everything is depending upon HR now. HR will tell,
Mm-hmm.
I need 5 days time to hire
Mm-hmm.
them.
Mm-hmm.
I will give you a quality people.
Mm-hmm.
So, there will be a last round project manager round. So that time
Mm-hmm.
project manager will take the interview. He will ask a
Oh.
basic questions. So he
Mm-hmm.
will get the confidence that they can handle this project. He will hire.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
because he is having a requirement in his mind, what type of software you need to develop.
Correct.
If I worked in my previous company in a social media,
Mm-hmm.
obviously will select me. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So that is the matter.
Mm.
So now we are
Mm.
clear with resources point of view.
Yes, sir. 100%.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are
Yes, sir.
clear with technology point of view.
Yes.
We
Yes,
are
sir.
clear with lab setup point of view. These
Yes, sir.
three important things will be we are discussed in this meeting.
Correct.
So, what is feasibility study?
Mm.
Feasibility study is a meeting which is conducted by the project manager where business analyst, architect,
Mm-hmm.
finance team, HR team will be present.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
And in this meeting, they
Mm-hmm.
will just whatever requirement, no, they will
Mm-hmm.
discuss about the project, whether they
Mm-hmm.
want to take up the project or not, based on the
Mm-hmm.
three factors that if they have the sufficient resources,
Correct.
sufficient technology, and
Technology.
sufficient lab setup.
That's it.
If they have everything,
Yes.
they will check with the budget.
Okay.
If they are profitable, they will take up the
Mhm.
project. If they are
Correct.
not profitable, they will reject the project. This
Correct.
entire process is called as feasibility study meeting. See,
Correct.
requirement collection is done,
Mm-hmm.
feasibility study is done, we are okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
only we will go for the design step.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay, sir, I understood. It means requirement collection is not done, so I can't go for feasibility study. No,
No.
got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Feasibility is done, but we are not
Mm-hmm.
okay with the money. Can I go for design? No. So,
No.
what do
Mm.
you mean by SDLC? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let
Mm-hmm.
me come into the picture. Now I have given
Yes.
you SDLC. No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah.
What do you mean by SDLC? I have
Yes.
given you some steps also: requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding, testing. So
Yes,
it
sir.
is a step-by-step procedure. Okay, step by step
Mm-hmm.
requirement collection, feasibility study, design, like that step-by-step procedure or a
Mm-hmm.
standard procedure. It is a step-by-step
Mm-hmm.
procedure
Mm-hmm.
or a
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
standard
Mm-hmm.
procedure.
Mm-hmm.
For what? To develop a new software. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
to
Yes, sir.
develop a new software.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to develop a new software, what I need to do?
Mm-hmm.
I need to
We have
follow the SDLC.
SDLC.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I have one more question. Okay.
Yes.
You have time, no? What is the
Yes, sir.
time
Yeah.
now? You have time, no? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I have.
Class
It's
is
a
okay, good, right?
yes, yes. Excellent, sir. You are teaching in very easy language.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next we have
Yes.
you take an example 15 years ago or 20 years ago, the
Mm-hmm.
software industry was not grown properly.
Mm-hmm.
But you take civil, no? Civil industry.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
They have built World Trade Center before that 20 years only, no? 15, 20
Correct.
years only.
Yes, sir.
It means civil industry was booming in the market.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is
Yeah.
my son is civil engineer.
Oh.
He's working in Abu Dhabi, he's working in somewhere, he's working in that company, this company, Godrej apartment, something and all they used to tell. Software company
Wow.
people, no,
Yes,
they're
sir.
not having idea what they're doing. But still they
Mm-hmm.
are telling software. There is no value for software. Later
Mhm.
you come mechanical. Mechanical
Mhm.
is booming like anything. New
Mhm.
cars from Japan, Germany is introduced in the market. Engine speed, 200
Mhm.
kilometers per hour, 300 kilometers, full racing, Moto GT,
Mhm.
GP, something and all was there. It means
Mhm.
mechanical field is growing like anything,
Mhm.
manufacturing, everything. So everyone is
Mhm.
becoming mechanical engineers or civil
Mhm.
engineers,
Mhm.
or
Yes, sir.
computers is having some idea. Computers,
Yes.
electronic is good branch. We need to learn electronics. Something this
Mhm.
was going in the market, but there is no market for our whatever the software industry. Sir, why,
Oh.
sir? Sir,
Mhm.
why, sir? Why?
Mhm.
Because initially there is
Mhm.
no standard procedure to develop a software.
Oh.
There is
Okay.
no SDLC. Got it? There is
Oh.
no waterfall model. There is
Oh.
no V&V model. There is no agile model. Sir, nowadays projects are going very fast. No requirement give
Mhm.
this week, next month take the
Mhm.
software.
Mhm.
Got it?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
I told 1 year is required. Previously, you
Mhm.
can observe here. 1 year
Mhm.
required is.
Mhm.
Now
Yes.
1 month is required. 15 days is required. How it is possible? Because we are
Mhm.
going with agile model. Agile means what? Fast and furious. Vin Diesel,
Oh.
Vin Diesel, like that. Paul Walker. I think you have
Yes.
seen the series, no? Fast and Furious, like
Yes, sir.
that. Rapa
Yeah.
rapa swing, 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 swing going.
Yeah.
How, sir?
Mhm.
It is not
Mhm.
fast and furious. It is fast and flexible. Okay.
Mhm.
So agile model is going on. V&V model, sir. There are some softwares, sir, very good quality, sir. Like
Mhm.
Facebook, sir, very good quality, sir. No
Mhm.
hackers will come, sir. Instagram, sir, or payment applications. In India,
Mhm.
we have some many payment applications like Phone Pay, Google Pay, and all. I don't know
Yes,
in
sir.
US.
Yeah. Mhm.
Similar kind of applications may be there over there. So like that,
Mhm.
they are developed. No, they have
Mhm.
followed some other model, V&V model. They have followed. They have a very good quality software, like that.
Okay. Mhm.
Waterfall model is there. I have a
Mhm.
notepad. I have
Mhm.
something.
Mhm.
WordPad is there, Excel is there, Microsoft
Mhm.
Office is there. How developed? They have followed something
Mhm.
called as waterfall model. Before that,
Oh.
I'm talking before SDLC,
Mhm.
the IT company was there. They used to
Mhm.
do some C language or something.
Mhm.
What my business analyst used to do, he used to
Mhm.
go for collecting the requirement.
Mhm.
Assume the company is in India, software company, Microsoft is in India, and
Mhm.
the customer is from US. There are many
Mhm.
projects which is given to India from the US,
Mhm.
okay? Because
Mhm.
cost cutting, we will
Correct.
do for rupees, not for the
Mhm.
dollars. But if I give requirement in America, they will work for dollars, so it will be
Mhm.
difficult. So they will give requirement to where? Indian companies. So
Correct.
Microsoft
Mhm.
is in India. You take example, business
Mhm.
analyst. The customer came and approached business analyst for the software. Business analyst told, "Hey, I need to visit America, no?
Mhm.
Because I need to collect the requirement." He will come
Correct.
to America.
Mhm.
He will come to America. What is the expenditure that the company needs to bear on that fellow now? You only think.
Mhm.
1 week
Air.
he told. Okay,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
1 week he
Yes.
said.
Oh my God.
Later, he is just
Hmm.
telling, "Hey boss,
Huh.
1 week it is not possible. I need one and a half month to collect the requirement."
Oh
He
my
is
God.
already in US. I can't tell him to come back because that time there was no telephone connection or video call, or I can't approach the
Oh
customer.
my
This
God.
fellow is telling some story, no? I need to listen.
Correct.
Got it? So
Yes,
business
sir. Yeah.
analyst went. Kachada
Mhm.
fellow is took his wife also in his
Mhm.
money. Just he booked the flight. Later we will not get to know who is staying in his room, right? So this fellow is planned something beautifully. He took his wife also. He went for honeymoon instead of collecting the requirement. We are not aware of it. Got it? So he 1 week work. This fellow took 1.5 month and he came back.
Hmm.
This complete expenditure is bearing by the software company.
Company.
There is no good interaction between developers and test engineers. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
development team is in first floor, test
Uh-huh.
engineers team in 15th floor of the
Oh my
same
God.
building.
Oh
Got
my
it?
God.
So
Uh-huh.
business analyst is collected the requirement 1.5 months. and he came to developers, and he took 1 month for converting this business language into software language again 1 month is taken, wasting time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but he is
Yeah.
getting salary again. Developers came,
Hmm.
given the requirement. Developer, by seeing that requirement, it is easy or not easy, I don't know, but developer is like, oh boss, oh, you bought a 1,000 page of requirement, huh?
Uh-huh.
1,000, 10,000. It is previously they used to collect in the books, no, or something. Some you take Excel or somewhere. 1,000 page of document, 10,000 page of document. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
boss, I need 2 years at least to develop the software,
Mm-hmm.
or 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
After developing, there was no testing team.
Oh my God.
Got it?
Yes,
It
sir.
means there
Yeah.
was no testing team initially.
Yes.
So
Oh.
that time,
Mm-hmm.
developers are overconfident that they have written the code. No, it will 100% work.
Oh my God.
They will release into the market. It means they will release to the customer. To Google, they have sent that particular
Um,
software. Now Google, what it is doing? They sent mail to
um,
Sheila.
uh-huh.
The mail went to Leela.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Or you take an example of Facebook only. Facebook, I am loving Sheila. Sheila and Leela is sisters. Okay. I sent a message, a request to Sheila. To
Uh-huh.
whom I said Sheila. But the
Leela.
request went to Leela.
Leela. Yeah.
Boys, how they will chat. Kachara fellows, few days, they will be innocent, they will act. Okay. Leela is in track now. Actually, Leela is in track. I am thinking in my head, Sheila is in track. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I tell her to meet in McDonald's. Sheila bought Leela also, or Leela bought Sheila also.
Yes, sir.
In front of Leela, whom I
Uh-huh.
messaged, she know
Uh-huh.
I am a Kachada fellow. I proposed Sheila. Got it?
Yes.
Full misunderstandings happened. She took her slipper and she threw it at me. Whose mistake? It is my mistake. I
Correct.
invested 1 or 2 months
Yes, sir.
to maintain this Leela, no, that text or something like good
Yes.
speech or something like that, chit chatting. It is
Yes,
taken
sir.
too much time.
Yes,
But
sir.
that time I thought it is Sheila, but it is
Yes,
Leela.
sir.
What happened? They have both updated the same DP, same selfie they updated. I
Hmm.
don't know.
Hmm.
I confused. So whose mistake is that? Customer's mistake? No, it is a IT company mistake because this Kachada fellows taken 2, 3 years, 4 years and
Hmm.
given a Kachada software
Hmm.
because there was no test engineers.
Hmm.
So customer is facing this issue. No, do I
Hmm.
use the software again?
No.
Impossible. I will never use. So if I'm not using the software, no,
Hmm.
then Google will make money or Facebook will make money or they will
Hmm.
become a multimillionaire companies.
Hmm.
Impossible. So IT industry was down.
Hmm. Okay.
There was no quality.
Oh.
So they have decided that
Mm-hmm.
we need to follow some standard procedures. Okay.
Oh,
So what
okay.
are the standard procedures?
Hmm.
Requirement collection business analyst should do, and there is some restricted hours and time we need to finish off that. Not
Mm-hmm.
immediately, like based on the number of pages of requirement or something. Okay, some
Yes.
calculations will be there. Based on that, they will tell. After
Mm-hmm.
that, feasibility study only 1 day required, or 3 days, 4 days. Next,
Mm-hmm.
design architect 15 days is required. Next, coding 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, like that. Okay, they got a complete scheduled plan. Once after SDLC, they have introduced into the market.
Mm-hmm.
Once after SDLC introduced, no, the
Mm-hmm.
software industry started to grow
Mm-hmm.
because it is standard procedure.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously,
Yes.
the say if you are following, why Japan is growing, why not
Mm.
other countries? Because
Mm.
they are following some procedure.
Oh.
Yes or no? In their
Yes.
lifestyle also, in their working also, or in family also, personal
Yes.
life, professional life,
Yes,
or
sir.
anything politics, they are following some rules, and
Yes.
they will follow. They must follow.
Yes.
You
Yes.
take India, no traffic rules. Left side you need to go. They will come in right side. Hey,
Correct.
my father is MLA. They will tell.
Yes, sir.
There
Yeah.
is no standard rules, so India is not developing. Don't think that
Mm.
Indians is not having a idea or mind. Indians is
Mm.
having a very good idea how to
Mm.
tackle anything in this world, but they
Mm.
don't have the standard rules, standard
Stand.
procedure. They will tell
Correct.
my father is that, my father is this. Yeah,
Correct.
but first you grow, man. You become something. You should be
Correct.
uh, grown in a market, and you should have that what we can tell reputation in the market. Don't tell your
Correct.
father name or your
Correct.
mother name or some your grandfather name. But you
Correct.
in US, no, you go and tell I am uh, son of Trump or something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
They will tell,
Yes.
hey, your father is a third class fellow. You also third
Correct.
class fellow. Go. I will not give value for you.
Correct.
I mean, I'm just
Yes.
giving an example. There
Yes,
is
sir.
no
Yeah.
value there. But you take
No.
India, no. I am Narendra
Yes.
Modi's son means full
Yes.
respect. While going to government cars will come in front of me, backside two cars, and there is something, some kachada things. Okay, giving
Correct.
value for the unwanted people, making them
Yes.
hype or something and all.
Correct.
There is no standard procedure in India, so India is not growing. Just simple example.
Correct. Yes.
And
Yeah.
in US also there are many rules that you must follow. You take UAE, Dubai, you take
Yes.
Abu Dhabi, you
Yeah.
take.
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah.
there is
They have
too
even
much of
stricter.
they are
Yeah.
very strict, and there is a
Yeah.
money also.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, because they are
Yeah.
following the rules in such a way that it will make some money for their
Correct.
nation.
Yes. Yeah.
Like that, it is growing. So you take
Mm.
example this thing as India, something which
Mm.
is not clear. This and all other countries which I have given an example.
Correct,
Okay.
sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So educated Indians are following the rules. Again, I'm telling. I'm
Yes.
not
Yeah.
telling all Indians are same. Educated
Mm.
Indians like me, they will follow all the rules.
Correct.
It's okay. We are ready to find tax. We'll ready to pay something extra money to government because our country need to develop
Correct.
like that. Because it is a standard procedure we are following.
Correct, sir.
So similarly, I'm telling,
Yeah.
if you follow SDLC, no, everything
Mm-hmm.
will go in a good way. If you are not following SDLC, everything will go in a bad way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is a step-by-step procedure again, and a standard procedure to develop a new
New song.
software. Got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So
100.
this is just an editing. You just write what is SDLC. This one you will
Yes.
just write out. Once
Yes,
after
sir.
that, I think you
Yes.
have taken feasibility study. No, I will just give
Yes.
you a wait. Okay.
I wrote that, sir. I wrote everything
What
that you.
feasibility study you have written? Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
It's better if you take this. Will be good.
Screenshot. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is also fine. What you have done, that is
Yes, sir.
actually obviously
Yeah.
good, but still.
I can check it back again later.
Yes, yes. You just take this. What is
Yes.
feasibility study?
Yeah.
And see here. Once after requirement collection is completed, we'll go for the feasibility study stage of phase. It is done by the team, consist of PM, architect, BA,
Yes.
finance team, HR team.
HRT.
What
Yes,
we'll
sir.
do in this company, will decide to take up the project or not. If we take up the
Yes.
product, they will check whether they have sufficient resources, technologies, and lab setups. In this stage,
Correct.
company will get to know if they want to take up the project or not based on the profit
Correct.
what they will get. This process is called as feasibility
Feasibility
study.
study.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So
Mm.
you just in your class notes, if you kept means what is SDLC, you write the heading. Later you
Yes.
write this definition.
Yes, sir.
Later I have given you chart, no, who will do requirement collection, who will do feasibility study, design, coding, testing.
Yes, sir.
That
Yeah.
chart. Later you take a heading as a requirement collection and write this diagram and explain
Okay, sir.
this, and
Yes.
write this diagram for feasibility study, and this
Mm-hmm.
explanation you copy. This is not
Okay, sir.
required. This Sheila
Okay.
Gila not required. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, then we can end the class now, because if I take design, no, it will take some time. It will
Okay.
take 1 more hour. So let us do design tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Am I going speed?
No, sir. It is good enough. I'm getting
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. This and all you don't know. See, this is what testing are. No, this is not a complete testing. You got it. This is
Yes,
not
sir.
I'm
This is
teaching you testing. This is a SDLC, the
correct.
procedure of the IT companies. Because you are
Okay.
entering IT company, you don't know who is business analyst. Means they will
Correct.
get to know something. She's made some fake document and she came.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
you should know everything. Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Yes. So you have
Yes.
any doubts?
Uh, Sir, one question I was thinking,
Yeah.
like when during the project manager, the feasibility study meeting,
Yeah.
suppose
Yeah.
the budget is like customer said we have 8 crores and
Hmm.
the software company says no, we
Hmm.
have a budget of 7 crores. So isn't there a
Hmm.
point of negotiation between the customer and software industry? Okay, if
It's
you,
not like
if you,
negotiation. I can
uh-huh,
tell you something. If my
uh-huh,
company is grown better, no, like
uh-huh.
you take Infosys or something like that,
Mm-hmm.
they don't want a profit in the margin of 50% or 60%. They want a
Mm-hmm.
margin of 5 or 10% because they need to run. No, they need to
Mm-hmm.
spend one more year in the industry.
Mm-hmm.
They will take up the project. It's okay. 1 crore rupees profit also they will take. See, I'm
Oh.
not telling this. Don't take 1 crore, 10 crore. There will be 100 crores for the project.
Uh-huh.
It's okay if it is 90 crores because they
Uh-huh.
got 1 year work. No, they
Uh-huh.
can give the employment for the employees. No,
Correct.
2020 resource. It's okay for
Yes.
them because one project you may get 50% of profit. One project you may get
Mhm.
10% of profit. But if
Oh.
it is equal, no,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the budget and also what we have
Oh.
decided, if
Uh-huh.
both are same, then we will not take. But if it
Okay.
is slightly 15-20% is high, they can take.
Okay.
But startups will not take because startups something went wrong. Okay, while
Uh-huh.
doing some coding or something,
Uh-huh.
some resources having problem or technology is having problem, setups is having problem. No, that time
Uh-huh.
they will undergo loss. So they will keep
Oh.
estimation of 30 to 50% profit only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So it
Got
is
it.
their idea. They need to bear
Mm-hmm.
everything. How they are
Mm-hmm.
planning. Hmm.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, sir. So, very good, sir. I will go over all these notes again. So,
Yeah.
definitely. So, tomorrow is our next class, sir. Same time.
Tomorrow is Sunday. I will message you if I have a class, or else
Okay, sir.
tomorrow evening I can take if I am free. Like you, for you, I think morning it is.
Yes, sir. Yeah, mine is
Yeah,
morning. Correct. Yeah.
yeah. Maybe I will tell. I will tell because
Sure,
if I
sir.
have any other work, no.
Sure, sir. Just
Yes.
let me
Yeah,
know, sir. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. I will
Thank you.
message in the group and I will share you the link. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, pa.
Thank you. Have a
Bye.
good. Bye, bye, sir. Bye.
Thank you.